A very good evening to one and all. ഞാൻ Ria Isaac, ex-student of Kalyan Cathedral Catechism. Commit your work to the Lord and your plans will succeed. Proverbs chapter 16 verses 3. Extending warmest welcome to each one of you. Welcome to the very first curtain raiser of Kalyan Cathedral Catechism Awards 2021. This time our guests are really special people. They are the ones who build us. They are the ones who are the concrete foundation of our faith. They are the reason today me and you all are here. Any guesses? Yes, they are none other than our catechism teachers. Our catechism teachers are the foundation layers of our faith. They not only taught us but made us practice our faith. I am not going to speak more. Here is our first guest. Good evening, Clara teacher.
Good evening.
How are you feeling today?
I'm fine, thanks.
So, being one of the most experienced teacher from our department, today we are standing here for Kalyan Cathedral Awards. What will you like to say about the growth of Catechism department?
As a growth of Catechism department, I can tell that they are doing wonderful work with the help of Reverend Father Kuriakos, Reverend Father Jitin, the headmaster and the entire team. They are working. Comparatively, they are doing very good activities, even though in this pandemic time they are doing a wonderful works for their children. They are working very hard, I know, because they have modern technology. With that, they are bringing up the children. But one thing I feel that the faith formation, they are trying their best. Still, little more we have to focus on the faith formation that teachers alone cannot do. I request the parents to support the teachers in all the activities, and the children should be regular in attendance for attending the catechism class. So if the teachers and parents will work together, parents should be the example for the children, reading the Bible, praying rosary, all that. If they are seeing children also, automatically they will grow in faith formation. If they give more importance only for studies, then children will go up for that. So only body should not grow, the soul also should grow with the body, then only we can live on. That is our aim. God has created us to have both body and soul, and we have to serve the people and go to our eternal life. For that we need faith. Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good evening, Madan Miss.
Good evening.
You look stunning as usual.
Oh, thank you.
How are you feeling?
Good.
So, I would like to know, as you have seen all the performance in the faith quest of our students, what are your comments on that?
Of course, I have seen the participation of all the students. This online platform given a good opportunity to all the students. Almost all the children have given their best. Kudos to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, sister. So, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling great.
Okay, so my question is, do you think Faith Quest has helped students grow spiritually?
Yeah, the Faith Quest has helped the children to grow spiritually in one or the other way, like to know Jesus more and to explore their own talents, so that the love of Jesus has imbibed in their hearts. So what has not happened before, they are more into it. So then they are near to Jesus.
Thanks a lot, sister. Thank you. Good evening, Vijay sir.
Hi.
How are you feeling today?
Wonderful, yeah, I'm excited.
Okay. So, Chatin being a social entrepreneur, a super active in social media, I personally love your content.
Thank you.
The post we have uploaded in our social media pages, do you think it has given an impact to the other audience?
Absolutely. First of all, let me tell you, I'm first a faith formator and then a social entrepreneur. Even this enterprise that I'm doing is an extension of catechism. I want young people to practice what they have learned. So now coming to your post, I think you're doing a wonderful job. Especially what really struck me is the Vajanam Wednesdays, when those toddlers, the 3-year, 4-year, they're saying those Vajanangal, and that's so wonderful. And then for young people, you have something like a saintly Saturday, and that's so wonderful, yeah, because they get to see a role model and they are learning from it. So this is wonderful. I think You're doing a great job. Only thing, possibly one thing that you can add is, can you get in more live interaction so that you can bring in more people, more renowned people that can talk about the faith. So that's.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Good evening, Rani Chechi. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm very good. I'm very excited to know who the winners are actually. So yes, the anticipation was great actually.
Royal Go really suits you. So where is this pretty dress from?
Oh, this one of my friend designed it for me. I will not tell his name actually. He told me that it should be kept secret, that's why. But yeah, thank you for the compliment. Yeah.
So, being a member from cultural team and planning all the events today, how are you feeling?
We started planning this 2 months back actually. A lot of events to be lined up, a lot of competitions to be arranged, a lot of videos to be recorded, a lot of videos to be uploaded. So it was a lot of hard work for this 2 months, coordinating with different teachers. And all of our teachers came together for this, including our parish priest, headmaster, everybody came together. So, seeing all this alight in front of my eyes, this great setup and all, I'm really very happy. Really, really very happy.
So anyway, see you at the event today.
Excited enough to know.
Good evening, Annie teacher.
Good evening.
You look really good in ethnic wear today.
Thank you very much.
So my question is, as this is your first time here, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm very delighted to be with the Catechism department as well as the teacher of the second standard students. I'm happy to see so much talent in them and so much enthusiasm in them. Also, their thoughts towards the faith has been flourished. So I thank each and every parent of each child to put in so much of efforts. Thank you very much.
Look forward here to it.
Thank you.
Good evening, Divya Chechi.
Good evening, Ria.
You look pretty today.
Thank you.
So my question is, how are you feeling today as we are trying something new for the first time?
It's a great initiative started by KCC. Since the pandemic started, everyone is confined in home. We also had Faith Fest last year, but today, as we can see, we have moved one step ahead and to a grand celebration. So it feels great.
Thank you. So, how are you both feeling today?
Great.
You both look pretty in your dresses.
Thank you so much.
So my first question goes to Maria Chechi. So on a scale to 1 to 10, how much would you rate the performances of our students?
I absolutely loved all the performances. Parents as well as the students have put in a lot of hard work, and that is the result that we are seeing today in this program.
Okay. Next question, Roshal Chechi. So do you think Faith Fest competitions help students to profess their faith?
Yes, absolutely, because all these years they have been participating in the competitions, but I'm sure this year there were many new competitions, so they all enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you. We look forward to meeting you next. Sure. Good evening, Vijay sir.
Good evening.
So today at Kalyan Catechism Awards, how do you feel?
I'm very much excited. It is the first time that we are organizing such kind of an event, and we are hoping that it goes well.
Okay. So my question is, being the headmaster of such talented children in our department, how do you feel?
It's really awesome because we know that there are many talents around. So our main motto of organizing such an event was to identify those talents and bring them out, and also to help them guide through a better career skill set.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening, Alisha teacher.
Good evening, Ria, but don't call me teacher, yeah. Call me Alisha only.
Okay. You look gorgeous in black today.
Thank you, so do you. You look amazing.
Thanks a lot. So, how are you feeling today?
I am fine. How are you?
Doing good.
Yeah, good to know.
So, I would like to know, being the youngest teacher of the department, like just 2 years back you were a student, how do you feel?
Firstly, thank you for the compliment. And honestly, 2 years back when I finished my catechism, when I finished 12th standard, I would have never imagined being a part of this catechism department. So firstly, I'd like to thank the catechism department for giving me this wonderful chance. Being with the kids, I teach Jesus kids. So being with the kids, teaching them every Sunday, I am learning from them, and seeing them actively participate in all these competitions with so much energy and enthusiasm makes me so happy. Kudos to the kids and their parents, for putting so much effort in teaching them. Honestly, I'm in awe. Congratulations to all the participants and the winners. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. With this, we come to the end of our curtain raiser event. We will meet soon on Sunday on 29th of August for our actual KCC Awards. Brace yourself and stay tuned. This is Ria Isaac signing out. Thank you.